Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. See the accordion inside out, okay? So we're gonna start with the Chinese accordion. This one, you see here, yeah? I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna open it, start by parts. So as you can see, this is the grill. So we're gonna remove this part here so you can see how it looks. There you go. That's the grill, okay? And here we have it. These are the plunges, as you can see here, yeah? You press each button, they open, you see? Now we're going to remove this part, and you're going to see the inside. Here we go. This is what I was talking about earlier, that in a two-voicing accordion, you will always see 3 of these, okay? 3 of these. Let's now get into the bellow. This is the bellow. This is what opens up. See, pull and push, yeah? Pull and push. That's the one. And here we have it. This one here. Here we have the basses, bass side. As you can see, it's got 2 blocks. This side, as you can see, has more reed plates. So you see these ones here? This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this one has less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the bass side and this is the chord. So this block are the chords and this block is the bass, yeah? Combined all together, these are the basses, okay? The bass side of the accordion. Now let's look at it more closer. As you can see, these are the reed plates, yeah. This is wax, very special wax. As you can see, these are leather covers that help to protect and also help for the vibration of the sound when you're pushing and pulling out. And as you can see here, these holes are the chambers where the sound comes from. If you take a closer look and you see inside, there's the other reed, yeah? So this one's one reed, right? And this one's the other reed, yeah? And if you take a look over here in the box, you will see, look, if I was to do this one here, you see? That's the one that opens, yeah? Because that's the bass one. I mean, in general, these are basses. Don't get confused, okay? One is the bass and one is the chord, yeah? So if I was to press this one, that's the bass. If I was to press this one, that's the chord, you see? There you go. As you can see, guys, here we have the melody side of the accordion. Here we have it. This is the melody block, as you can see. Very similar to the bass reeds I showed you earlier. So it's got the wax here, it's got its leather covers, the reeds, and the chambers, yeah, where the sound comes from, yeah. There you have it. This is how it looks. And here I'm gonna just press these here so you can check out. Look, you see? It opens. There you go. And there we have it. That is the melody side. We have these other 2 blocks here, as you can see. So it's 3 blocks. So that's a 2-voicing accordion. Okay. Okay, guys. To be more clear when it comes to the voicings, I'm going to give you an example. So, for instance, let's talk about the 2-voicing accordion that you just saw earlier. If we were to play this note, for example, let's pretend that's a C note, okay? C. So if you're playing this note in a 2-voicing accordion, it's common sense. Basically C times 2. So you're getting that note twice. It says it there, 2-voicing, yeah? And if it's in a 3-voicing accordion, well, the same thing. Let's say you're pressing C, you're getting 3 times because it's three of the same notes, okay? So 3 C's basically. But one of them is tuned in 440, the other one can be tuned in 439, and the other one can be tuned in, I don't know, 442, for example. It depends on the tuning that you want, the sound that you need. Here we go. We're gonna open the accordion, just like we did with the 2-voicing accordion. And here we go. So this is the grill, like I told you in the last one. Yeah, here we go. Where the melody sound comes from. These are the plunges. As you can see, these here, the wood part here, that as soon as you press, yeah, as soon as you press, they open, you see? Yeah? Okay, as you can see, until now is pretty much the same, as the 2-voicing accordion. So yeah, let's open this. There we have it. As you can see here, we got 5. You see? It's not 3 anymore, it's 5. So there you go. That's the reason why you hear more sound in these ones, you know, because like I was telling you earlier, each button you press, it's 3 times. So that's the only difference here. Yeah? We got the bellow again. This is the bellow. Yeah? You can see, oh, this one's in that color. We pull, we push, pull, and push. Yeah. Okay guys, and here we have the basses. As you can see, it's pretty much the same as the 2-voicing. Yeah. You're probably wondering what this hole here is. So that's the air valve, the air button. So you see here, and this one is black here. There you go. The same. So I'll show you here. This is the bass side. You see it's pretty much similar. Those are the chambers where the sound comes from. These are the leather covers with some papers that protect and help with the vibration of the sound when it comes out. Yeah, the wax. So yeah, pretty much the same. Let's put this back in. And here we have the chord of the bass. Yeah, pretty much the same. Yeah. Those are the chambers, and there you have it.